Have you ever felt like you're constantly juggling too many things, trying to stay productive at work while also striving for personal growth? It's exhausting, right? One moment you're buried in projects, and before you know it, the day is gone, leaving little time for the things that truly matter to you. But what if I told you there's a simple strategy to achieve both without the overwhelm? Enter habit stacking, a technique that allows you to effortlessly incorporate personal development habits into your existing routines without taking time or adding complexity to your day. Let's begin by quickly understanding what habit stacking is. Habit stacking is a powerful strategy for building new habits by linking them to existing ones. Instead of introducing new behaviors into your routine from scratch, habit stacking leverages the momentum of your current habits to adopt new ones seamlessly. The core idea here is that you are already accustomed to completing certain tasks automatically without effort, like brushing your teeth or making your morning coffee. By attaching a new habit to one of these automated routines, you're more likely to stick to it, as subconsciously you view these new behaviors as an extension of something you do naturally. Habit stacking works on two key principles: cue and action. The formula is simple. After current habit, I will new habit. This concept leverages the cue action framework, where an existing habit serves as the trigger for the new one. Habit stacking is effective because it takes advantage of established neural pathways. Once a habit is ingrained, the brain requires minimal effort to perform it. By linking a new habit to these pathways, you reduce the mental resistance that often comes with building entirely new habits, which can easily lead to burnout or inconsistency. Habit stacking helps overcome this by linking new habits to existing ones, reducing the friction between intention and action. Soon, we will look at a step-by-step guide on how you can habit stack. But first, let's look at how habit stacking helps in creating a balanced life. Improved consistency. Developing new habits can be difficult because they need to be consistently repeated in order to become ingrained. Habit stacking involves connecting new behaviors to existing habits so that the new habit is activated every time the original one occurs. Eventually, the new habit will become just as automatic, reducing the likelihood of reverting back to old habits. Boosts efficiency. One of the main advantages of habit stacking is that it helps you save time. By connecting new habits to existing ones, you avoid the need to carve out additional time in your day. Habit stacking allows you to combine activities that support both productivity and personal development, eliminating the need to set aside special time for either. This approach seamlessly integrates personal growth into your daily routine, making it more efficient and sustainable. Helps decision fatigue and procrastination. Decision fatigue happens when the mental strain of making numerous decisions throughout the day causes overwhelming stress, which eventually leads to procrastination. Habit stacking helps combat this by creating an automatic routine. This reduces procrastination and minimizes the mental stress of constant decision-making. Long-term habit stacking encourages gradual change, which is key to long-term success. Instead of attempting drastic shifts that are hard to maintain, habit stacking helps you build a routine that feels natural and sustainable, making you more likely to stick with the new habits in the long run. Let's explore a few examples of how habit stacking can seamlessly balance both personal and professional growth by integrating them into a holistic routine. These examples will provide you with practical insights on how to apply habit stacking to enhance your own development in both areas. Pairing habits that boost work efficiency with those that support personal growth creates synergy between the two. For example, you can combine writing down your top 3 tasks for the day, a productivity habit, with practicing gratitude, a personal development habit. Another example of promoting work-life harmony is incorporating small mindfulness breathing sessions or quick stretches periodically throughout your workflow. This helps prevent burnout, reduces stress, and improves focus. Additionally, personal development habits can enhance work performance. For instance, doing a brain-boosting activity like solving a puzzle before starting an important task can sharpen your focus and increase productivity. Now that you have some ideas on balancing productivity and personal development, let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to start habit stacking. Step 1. Identify key anchor habits. Anchor habits are routines that you already perform daily without much thought. These are the behaviors that you can use to trigger new habits. They are ideal starting points because they are already firmly established in your routine. Write down a list of habits you already do automatically every day. These might include things like brushing your teeth, making coffee, checking emails, or having lunch. Step 2. Choose your new habits. The key to successful habit stacking is to start small. Choose simple, manageable habits that align with your productivity goals or personal development. These new habits should be easy to implement and not time-consuming, just a minute or two at first. Over time, as the habit becomes automatic, you can gradually scale it. Step 3. Pair complementary habits. Stacking habits that naturally go together creates a smoother transition between behaviors, making it impossible not to do them. This reduces the friction between habits and makes the routine feel more cohesive. There are 3 types of stacking methods you can use. Time-based stacking. This involves adding a new habit that fits naturally into a specific time of day, such as incorporating stretching exercises after waking up or meditating before bed. Location-based stacking. This approach involves creating new habits based on environmental cues. For example, you might do a quick visualization of how you want your day to unfold as soon as you sit at your work desk. Frequency-based stacking. If there's a task you do multiple times a day, such as using the restroom, you could stack habits that are small and frequent, such as doing short breathing exercises to ground yourself whenever you step out of the restroom. Step 4. Use the habit stacking formula. After current habit, I will new habit. This formula helps you connect the new behavior directly to a habit you already have. Write this new habit routine in your reminder app, notes, or journal. For example, after brushing teeth, I will meditate for 5 minutes. Step 5. Celebrate your wins. Remember to acknowledge and celebrate your progress, as it helps to build positive reinforcement and makes you more likely to stick with your habits in the long term. Celebrating even small wins can boost your confidence and motivation. Take a moment to celebrate every time you successfully complete your habit stack. This could be as simple as giving yourself a mental high five or telling yourself, "Keep it up." By following these simple steps, you can start habit stacking in no time. It may seem that your new habits are too small to have any impact at first, but the key principle of habit stacking is consistency. The easier a habit is to stick to, the more automatic it becomes, and the greater the long-term benefits you'll experience. Habit stacking is a simple yet incredibly smart and effective technique for integrating new habits into your life. It allows you to balance productivity and personal development without feeling overwhelmed. By leveraging the power of your existing routines, you can create a seamless flow that enhances both your work performance and personal growth. Remember to start small, choose habits that complement each other, and celebrate your progress along the way. With habit stacking, you can create a balanced, harmonious lifestyle where productivity and self-improvement thrive together. Be sure to subscribe and watch our video on what the true meaning of work-life balance is and how you can bring even more harmony into your life. And always remember, Habitual Harmony is here to help you create an abundant life.